Again, this is Monsters Folded from the Stamps of Life from, what did I say, September of 2021. September of 2021. We're going to add one leg here. Again, I'm not sure. This might look like a Christmas monster in the end, and I don't know if I had that in mind when I started, but either way, it'll just show you some things you can do, mixing and matching some solid paper with some pattern paper. Okay? Alright, there he is. Not bad, huh? We did that pretty quick. It didn't take long. Now, if you wanted to crank out a bunch of these for a birthday party, you do it. You could add epoxy dots, glitter. You can make his little antennas look really awesome.